Class 10 NCERT Maths, Chapter number 13, Surface Area and Volumes, Exercise number 13.1, Question 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Find the total surface area of the toy. Now let us see the solution. Here in this figure, base is in the form of hemisphere having radius 3.5 cm and its top is in the form of cone, and total height of this toy is 15.5 cm. Now if we take radius equal to 3.5 cm, then height of conical part will be 15.5 cm minus 3.5 cm, it will be 12 cm. Now for cone we have r square plus h square equal to l square. R is radius of the base, L is the slant height and h is height of the cone. Then L equal to under root r square plus h square. Now keeping value of r equal to 7 by 2, h equal to 12, we are getting L equal to under root 49 by 4 plus 144. Then when simplifying this, we are getting answer of L equal to under root 625 upon 4. Then L equal to 25 by 2. Now total surface area of toy equal to CSA of conical part plus CSA of hemispherical part. Then it will be pi r L plus 2 pi r square. Now value of r we are keeping 7 by 2 and L equal to 25 by 2. Then when simplifying it, we are getting 275 upon 2 plus 11 multiply 77. Then it will be 137.5 plus 77. Then final answer will be 214.5 centimeter square. Now let us see question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the total surface area of the solid. Now here figure is drawn. Now we know that cube is having 6 sides. Now if we keep one hemisphere on the top, then it is having diameter of 7 cm. But if we count total surface area, then 5 sides will be there, and on the top side there will be hemisphere. So inside corner, 4 corners of one face of cube must have. So now let us see the solution. The greatest diameter possible for the hemisphere is equal to the cube's edge equal to 7 cm. Now radius of hemispherical part is 7 by 2 cm. Now total surface area of solid equal to surface area of cubical part plus curved surface area of hemispherical part minus area of the base of hemispherical part. Then it will be 6 into edge square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Then it is equal to 6 into edge square plus pi r square. Then total surface area of solid equal to 6 into 7 square plus 22 upon 7 multiply 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2. Then it will be 294 plus 77 upon 2. Then 294 plus 38.5. Then final answer will be 332.5 centimeter square. Now let us see question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Now here figure is shown. One hemisphere is cut. Now according to the question, diameter of hemisphere equal to edge of the cube, it is equal to L. Radius of hemisphere equal to L by 2. Now curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. Surface area of cube equal to 6 into edge square. Total surface area of solid equal to surface area of cubical part plus curved surface area of hemispherical part minus area of base of hemispherical part. It is equal to 6 into h square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. It is equal to 6 into h square plus pi r square. Now h is L, then 6l square plus pi into L by 2 whole square, because r equal to L by 2. So it is equal to 6l square plus pi into L by 2 whole square. Then it will be 6l square plus pi L square by 4. Then L square is common. Then we can get 6 plus pi by 4. Then final answer will be L square into 24 plus pi by 4 square units.